The Federal Reserve reporting that household net worth rose to a record $137 trillion, up by $5 trillion in the first quarter.
Okay, I am going to get right to it. What is the meaning of net worth? Why should you know your net worth? Net worth is the value of a person or corporation's assets, minus the liabilities they owe. It is an important metric to gauge a company's or individual's financial health, providing a useful snapshot of its current financial position. People with substantial net worth are called high net worth individuals. An individual's net worth is simply calculated by subtracting all liabilities from assets. Examples of liabilities or obligations that deplete resources, otherwise known as debt, include mortgages, credit card balances, student loans, and car loans. Meanwhile, an individual's assets include checking and savings account balances, the value of securities such as stocks or bonds, real property value such as rental properties, the market value of an automobile, cryptocurrencies, and the like. Theoretically, your net worth is the value in cash you would have if you were to sell everything you own and paid off all of your debts. In some cases, this number is negative, indicating that you carry more liabilities than assets. Again, net worth can be described as either positive, meaning that assets exceed liabilities, or negative, meaning that liabilities exceed assets. Positive and increasing net worth indicates good financial health. On the other hand, decreasing net worth is cause for concern as it might signal a decrease in assets relative to liabilities. Here is a net worth example. Consider a couple with the following assets. Primary residence valued at $200,000. An investment portfolio with a market value of $75,000. Automobiles and other assets valued at $30,000. Liabilities include an outstanding mortgage balance of $100,000. A car loan of $15,000. The couple's net worth would, therefore, be calculated as $200,000 plus $75,000 plus $30,000 minus $100,000 and $15,000 equals $190,000. Be conservative with estimates, especially with home and vehicle values. Inflating the value of large assets may look good on paper, but may not paint an accurate picture of your net worth. How to increase your net worth? Choose a debt payoff strategy. Create a plan for shedding troublesome liabilities. Many recommend paying down debts with the highest interest rates first, an approach known as the debt avalanche. Another option you may consider is debt consolidation, rolling multiple debts into one payment. Grow your money. Set up automatic savings, take advantage of competitive account interest rates, and explore other ways to build wealth. Be patient. Growing your wealth is not an overnight process. The trend for most people is that net worth increases as they get older. Do your best to get on the right track, and allow time for your efforts to pay off. Keep liquid or semi-liquid savings and investments such as stocks and high-yield accounts, which can help them grow faster if you're earning a competitive annual percentage yield. Work on debt repayment and consider refinancing or consolidating debts at a lower interest rate to help speed up your debt payoff. Review your budget to look for areas to reduce expenses and allocate more money to either savings or debt repayment. If you have additional money to save, consider maxing out your emergency fund and then maxing out your annual contributions to an individual retirement account. In upcoming videos, we will dig deeper into the net worth calculation and how to calculate your net worth by age. So please like and subscribe to be notified of our future videos. Take care, my friends.
If you're still here, thanks for making it this far in the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell, as it will help out this channel a lot. Check out one or both of the videos listed here on this page. And as always, learn more, hustle on, and power through. Thank you, and see you all in just a few minutes.